Sejarah subject is the one of the most important subject in our education system. It helps us understand our identity, heritage, and the lesson of the past. However, many students see Sejarah as a boring, difficult, and something they only study to the past exam. This lack of interest leads to disengagement, weak comprehension, and a poor critical thinking skill. In our project, we aim to solve this real-world challenge by introducing a creative and immersive learning experience using virtual reality. Sejarah is an important subject for understanding our identity and cultures. However, Malaysian secondary school students perceive Sejarah as dull, difficult, and heavily focused on memorization. According to Ibrahim 2012, states that studies have shown this approach discourages engagement and limit meaningful learning. As a result, students often treat Sejarah as a subject to pass exam rather than to explore deeply. Research from Nit Yang Tam 2024 also highlights specific challenges such as low motivation, poor comprehension, and difficult memorizing fact and weaker critical thinking skill. Clearly, this is a real need to transform the way students experience history in school. This is how our virtual history museums look like. With the VR box, students can step into a digital space that feels just like walking inside a real museum. This innovation is especially helpful for students in rural schools who may not have the opportunity to visit an actually museum in person. Through VR, they can experience the sight, sound, and atmospheres of Malacca Sultanate Museum without leaving their classroom. Inside the museum, background music related to Malay heritage can be heard through headphones, creating a more immersive and authentic environment. Students can also interact with display, for example, by pressing on an artifact such as a keris, map, or royal regalia. They can read the details, explanation, and historical fact. To make learning even more engaging, the museum includes a fun learning corner with quizzes and mini-games. Each student can test their knowledge of history in an enjoyable way, reinforcing what they have learned. This combination of visual, sound, interactivity, and gamification make the Virtual History Museum a powerful tool to bring sejarah to life in a meaningful and exciting way. In conclusion, our project, the Virtual History Museum, is designed to transform how students learn sejarah, making it more interactive, engaging, and meaningful through the use of VR technologies. We sincerely thank you for the time and attention. We hope our innovation inspire a new way of learning and appreciating the rich history of our nation. Sejarah membentuk jati diri bangsa, masa depan bermula dengan memahami masa lalu.